2001 Ford F-150 4.6 liter V8 Triton. Still got factory converters, got 4 of them on this truck. That's how they come from the factory. Then it's widened to a single. Then what we did is a Flowmaster 40 series and 2 1/4 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there, right there. And then 3.5 inch angle cut tips there and there. There's the Flowmaster 40 series. That's how you duel them out. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2006 Ford F-150. What we got done on it is still got the stock converters right there and right there. Then it's got 2 1/4 tailpipe, and then we continued it with 2.5 into a Flowmaster 2.5 to 2 1/4, or 2.5 actually mandrel bent tailpipes all the way back, right there and right there, into 3.5 inch rolled edge tips. The customer brought his own kit, but we welded everything because we don't like clamps because they leak. That's what it looks like, right there, there, and there. 2002 Ford F-150 Harley Davidson edition, supercharged. Really nice truck. Still got factory converters. These come with a dreaded 4 converter setup, 2 on each side. Then it comes true dual already from the factory. And we took the original muffler off and put a Flowmaster Super 10 there. Then we had to add some pipe instead of where the muffler went, because you know the muffler that's on is huge. And then we continued the super dual, the true dual all the way back into his original tailpipes and tips, because they were still good. Right there. There's the Super 10 right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Flowmaster 40 series never disappoints. Got a really nice deep dome. Again, let you guys hear on that. Flowmaster 40 series never disappoints. If you guys want that muffler system, look at the link in the description. You can see where the description where to get one. Sorry, as usual, Tennessee's raining, so you can't really hear the exhaust too much. Let you guys hear on that? Sound decibels on it? Go ahead. 106. F-150 Harley Davidson. Go ahead and back it up. Let you guys hear it on the inside. like that aftermarket grill. It looks good. Makes it look newer. That's pretty cool.